Stop waxing like it's 2020. Most at-home results fail because of one tiny technical error. Today, we retire the old methods for the 2026 Elite Protocol. We've all dealt with the irritation, the missed patches, and the pain. But what if I told you the Elite Standard makes this process nearly painless? It starts with the wax. We aren't using generic strips. To target the follicle directly, you need a high polymer professional hard wax. Temperature control is the silent killer of great waxes. We are aiming for a precise melt point. Too hot burns, too cool breaks the hair. This is the drip test. If it's watery, wait. You need a honey-like consistency to ensure it encapsulates every single hair without sticking to your skin. Phase 1 of the protocol is the chemical prep. We must remove all surface oils and sweat, or the wax will simply slide off the hair. By balancing the skin's pH before we start, we create a barrier. This is the secret to reducing the skin rip sensation by up to 70%. Next, a light dusting of powder. This acts as a buffer. In 2026, we don't wax raw skin. We wax a protected surface for maximum safety. Don't just apply blindly. Use your finger to map the growth. Hair grows in different patterns. If you miss the map, you'll cause ingrowns. The perfect bead technique. You want a rounded edge on your spatula. This prevents the wax from thinning out at the edges, which causes painful snapping. Apply with pressure. You aren't painting, you are molding. Press the wax into the root so it grabs the hair at the very base of the follicle. Create your lip at the end. This thick edge gives your fingers a dedicated handle to grab, ensuring you don't faff around with the edge. This is the anchor point. If the skin isn't tight, you will bruise. In the Elite Protocol, the anchor is the most important safety step. Test the cure. If it's still tacky, wait 5 seconds. If it's hard, it's ready. Timing is everything for a clean, one-swipe removal. The pull. Stay parallel to the body. Never pull upward, as that creates flicking, which snaps the hair instead of removing the root. Instant pressure. This is the cold press hack. It confuses the nerves and stops the pain signal before it reaches your brain. Look at those roots. That is a successful pull. By removing the bulb, we ensure the hair grows back thinner and softer every single time. Post-care is where the 2026 protocol wins. We use an oil-based cleanser first to remove residue, followed by a soothing cooling gel. Maintenance begins tomorrow. Do not scrub today. Use a chemical exfoliant to keep the pores open and prevent those painful 2026 ingrowns. You've just mastered the Elite Protocol. You now have the clinical knowledge to maintain professional-grade skin at home. Subscribe to this channel to stay updated on the latest evidence-based skincare techniques.